Have you ever wondered why some women keep attracting the wrong men? A man who doesn't respect her, a man who doesn't value her, a man who promises everything but gives nothing. And the surprising part, many intelligent, educated, and successful women also fall into this pattern. So, is it bad luck? No. Psychology says there are deeper reasons behind it. In today's video, let's understand why women sometimes choose the wrong partners and how to avoid making the same mistake again. Hello everyone, welcome back to Boss Lady Mindset. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping women build confidence, self-respect, and a powerful mindset. Let's dive into the psychology behind relationships because understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. Reason 1, confusing attention with love. Many women don't fall in love with a person, they fall in love with the attention. When someone constantly texts, calls every day, gives compliments, it feels special, but attention and love are not the same thing. A man can give attention today and disappear tomorrow. Real love is consistency, respect, trust, and commitment. Psychologists say many people mistake intense emotions for genuine connection, and that often leads to heartbreak. Reason 2, low self-worth. This is one of the biggest reasons. When a woman doesn't truly believe she deserves better, she accepts less than she deserves, she ignores red flags, she tolerates disrespect, she keeps giving chances. Deep inside, she fears that if she leaves, nobody else will love her. But the truth is, your standards are a reflection of your self-worth. The moment you value yourself, you stop accepting behavior that hurts you. Reason 3, trying to fix someone. Many women believe he will change after marriage. He is good at heart. I can help him become better. But relationships are not rehabilitation centers. You cannot change someone who doesn't want to change. Psychology calls this the savior complex. You start believing that your love can heal someone's toxic behavior. Unfortunately, love alone cannot change a person, only they can change themselves. Reason 4, childhood patterns. This may sound surprising, but our childhood experiences influence our adult relationships. If someone grew up receiving inconsistent love, they may unconsciously feel attracted to emotionally unavailable partners because it feels familiar. Psychologists call this attachment patterns. Sometimes we don't choose what is healthy, we choose what feels familiar. That's why self-awareness is so important. Reason 5, ignoring red flags because of emotions. Have you ever heard this saying? When emotions are high, logic is low. In the beginning of a relationship, emotions can be very strong. And because of that, many women ignore warning signs. Disrespect, lying, anger issues, lack of commitment, poor communication. They think, maybe I'm overthinking. Maybe he will change. But red flags don't disappear. They usually become bigger over time. Reason 6, fear of being alone. Sometimes women stay in unhealthy relationships because they fear loneliness. They think, at least I have someone. But being with the wrong person is often more painful than being alone. Being single is not a failure. Settling for less than you deserve is the strongest. Women are not afraid to walk away when a relationship is damaging their peace. The solution? So how can women choose better partners? Here are 4 simple steps. Build self-respect before entering a relationship. Watch actions, not just words. Never ignore red flags. Choose someone who brings peace, not confusion. Remember this, healthy love feels safe, toxic love feels addictive. Learn the difference. Powerful ending. Ladies, the goal is not to find a perfect man. The goal is to find a healthy relationship, and that starts with becoming emotionally healthy yourself. The better you know yourself, the better choices you make. Because when a woman knows her worth, she stops chasing people who don't value her. She starts choosing what truly deserves her heart. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Boss Lady Mindset. And tell me in the comments, what is the biggest red flag women ignore in relationships? Until next time, stay confident, stay strong, and remember, you are enough.